right now. Number 2 is ANYCUBIC Photon M3 3D printer. Introducing the ultimate 3D printing powerhouse under $1,500, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max resin 3D printer. With its generous build volume of 13.0 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, 30.0 by 29.8 by 16.4 centimeters, this printer is a dream come true for those who crave to bring their larger-than-life ideas to life. The cutting-edge 7K, 6480 by 3600 pixels, monochrome LCD screen, coupled with the high-precision ball-screw Z-axis rail, ensures jaw-dropping levels of detail in every print. Prepare to be mesmerized as your creations become perfect, showcasing intricate details like never before. Are you worried about running out of resin mid-print? Fear not! The automatic feeding function saves the day by refilling the resin vat when running low and stopping when it's sufficiently filled. No more waiting by the printer anxiously, now you can rest easy and let your imagination run wild. And did we mention the fully compatible slicing software, ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop? It's the icing on the cake, offering a user-friendly interface for precise control over your printing parameters while saving you a bundle on third-party software. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.